Need a beautiful invitation for a birthday party, wedding, business event, or special occasion? Canva makes it easy to create professional invitations without any design experience. With thousands of customizable templates, you can have a polished invitation ready in just a few minutes. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to design invitations in Canva in 2026. First, sign into Canva and use the search bar to find invitation templates. Canva offers designs for nearly every type of event and occasion. Next, browse through the available templates and select one that matches your event. Don't worry about finding the perfect design because every element can be customized. Replace the sample text with your event information, including the title, date, time, location, and any special instructions for guests. Now personalize the invitation by changing colors, fonts, and images. Try to choose a style that matches the theme and mood of your event. Before exporting, carefully review the invitation for spelling mistakes, missing details, and layout issues. Make sure all important information is easy to read. When you're happy with the design, click Download to save it as a PDF or image file. You can also share the invitation digitally through email or social media. And that's how to design invitations in Canva. With customizable templates and easy editing tools, creating professional invitations is quick and simple. So yeah, spend a little time personalizing the design, and you'll have an invitation that's ready to impress your guests. Thanks for watching.